If integral cos x dx divided by sin cube x 1 plus sin power 6x whole power 2 by 3 equal to f of x 1 plus sin power 6x one by lambda plus c. Then lambda into f of pi by 3. So we can avoid this sum since we have done this sum already. I have solved this sum in earlier classes. If integral sinus of x, sinus of root of x by 1 plus x dx equal to a of x tanus of root x plus b of x plus c. The order per a of x comma p of x b of x can be x plus 1 comma minus root x, option B x plus 1 comma root x, option C x minus 1 comma minus root x, x minus 1 comma plus root x. So sinus of root x by 1 plus root x. I equal to sinus of root x by 1 plus x dx. X equal to tan का theta. Tan theta equal to root x. Theta equal to tan of root x. I equal to sinus of tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta dx. 2 tan theta. If you differentiate 2 tan theta is secant square theta. Sinus of tan theta by secant theta into 2 tan theta secant square theta. So I equal to sinus of sin by cos 1 by cos, that is sin theta into 2 tan theta secant square theta. Sinus of sin theta equal theta 2 into sin theta by cos theta. Into 1 by cos square theta. You take 2 outside, sinus of theta you take u equal theta, du equal d theta. dv equal to tan theta secant square theta. Integral dv equal to integral tan theta into d of tan theta. Okay. So integral dv equal to b here x power n plus 1 tan square theta by 2. So I equal to 2 into uv, that is theta, v tan square theta by 2 minus v tan square theta by 2 into du, that is d theta. So theta tan square theta minus 2 will be cancelled. So theta tan square theta minus into secant square theta equal tan theta plus theta plus c. We have taken x equal to tan square theta, root x equal to tan theta, theta equal to tan of root x. So here theta tan of root x, here we have tan square theta x minus tan theta root x theta therefore I equal to tan of root x into x plus 1 minus root x plus c. So comparing with this, so a of x equal to 1 plus x, p of x equal to minus root x. So e of x comma b of x equal to 1 plus x comma minus root x. Option 1 is correct. Next, integral x by x sin x plus cos x the whole square dx is equal to tan x minus x secant x by x sin x plus cos x plus c secant x plus x tan x secant x minus x tan x tan x plus x secant x x sin x plus cos x plus c. So I equal to x squared by x sin x plus cos x the whole squared x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole squared. I split x squared by x into x squared multiplied by cos x and divided by cos x. Take u equal to x by cos x du cos x minus x sin x by cos squared x dv x cos x by so integral dv equal to integral x cos x by the whole squared d of by the whole square. See, if you differentiate this 1 into sin x x cos x minus you get x cos x. So dx by x squared minus 1 by x. For this the answer will be so v equal to minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. So integral u dv equal to uv minus del v du. I equal to u, that is x by cos x into v minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x minus v minus 1 by du cos x minus u dash v minus u v dash, that is minus sin x will become plus u v du cos x plus x sin x by cos squared x into dx. X sin x plus cos x, this will be cancelled, equal to x by cos x minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x plus 1 by cos squared secant squared x dx. So minus x 1 by cos x secant x divided by x sin x plus cos x plus tan x plus c. Del secant squared x equal to tan x plus c. So option 1 is correct. Next, if del e power 2x plus 2 e power x minus e power minus x minus 1 into e power x plus e power e power x plus e power minus x dx equal to g of x into e power x plus e power plus c, then g of 0 is equal to these are the options a squared 1 2. So let it be I. E power 2x plus e power x plus e power x plus minus e power minus x minus 1 into e power x plus e power minus x dx. E power 2x plus e power x minus 1 plus e power x minus e power minus x e power x plus into dx. I split into two terms. So e power 2x plus e power x minus 1 into e power x plus e power dx plus integral e power x minus e power minus x into e power x plus e power dx. So I equal to integral, here you take e power x and common, e power x plus 1 minus e power minus x e power x plus e power minus x dx plus the whole term can be written as d of e power x plus e power. If you differentiate the whole term, and further for e power x, e power minus x, e power minus x. So we get it. E power x minus e power minus x plus 1 e power x plus e power minus x plus x plus e power x plus e power minus x. There will dx equal to x. Again, this can be written as, if we differentiate okay, if you take t equal to this simple stuff, you can write this is d of e power x e power minus x plus x plus e power x plus e power minus x. If you differentiate this, you take as it is, therefore it should be differentiated e power x minus e power minus x plus 1. It's nothing but e power x plus e power minus x plus x plus e power x plus e power minus e power x. E power x plus e power minus x into e power x plus e power x plus e power minus x plus c. Taking e power x plus e power minus x into e power x plus 1 plus c. Therefore, comparing with the given statement, g of x takes value e power x plus 1. We need g of 0. 1 plus 1, 2. So option D is correct. So you can solve this step like this. If you find difficult doing this portion can be done by t equal to e power x plus e power minus x plus x dt equal to e power x minus e power minus x plus 1 into dx. So I equal to integral e power t into dt plus e power x e power minus x, that is e power t plus e power x plus e power plus c. In place of e power t, e power x plus e power minus x plus x plus e power x plus e power minus x plus c. So you can straight away you can write. If you find difficult, you can apply method of substitution. So we can discuss more sums the next session also.